So this is Jalan Melasti. That's Jalan Legian just right there. So we'll do a quick walk down this street to Garlic Lane. Might cross the road and show you these little shops over here. Yeah, crossing the road. Cars aren't too bad, they'll generally slow down for you. It's the scooters you got to watch out for. Oh, someone even riding a push bike. A little bit of a gap here. We'll just cut through. Oh, and then another scooter comes up. Yeah, the cars will generally slow down and let you cross. But yeah, I don't think we've been in this section before. We've been past it many times, but so yeah, lots of sports jerseys.
10 for kids.
This kids.
20 for adults.
20 for adults, 10 for kids.
Can you just not like this for the bed? Can you got one like that and
Yeah.
straight 20?
So yeah, AFL, all that sort of stuff.
No.
But you don't have that colour. Yeah, I got it.
So yeah, plenty down there. I won't bother because a lot of the shops are basically just selling very, very similar stuff. Oh, maybe we might walk around. It looks like it goes around in a bend. Hello. Hello. I'm looking for Australian basketball.
Oh, this?
That's what I'm.
Come in, I have.
You have Australian basketball, NBL. Oh no, NBL. I'm looking for Adelaide, like the Adelaide team.
Not this?
No, no, not there. Thank you.
Anything else?
No, just looking for Australian basketball.
Nike short?
No, thank you.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
One more t-shirt.
No, thank you. Oh, nice. No. Hello. No, thank you.
Yes, you want some t-shirts in this one?
No, thank you.
You want singlet?
Hello. No, thank you.
People looking. Yes? Not the pants.
Hello, how are you?
I'm well, how are you?
For something, please?
No, thank you. No, thank you. So these are all shops where you'd have to bargain, so they'll probably quote you something really stupid to start with. Yeah, no, thank you. Hello. Hello. No, thank you. No, thank you. No, thank you. Hello. So that gives you a good example of what it can be like. Every single one of them trying to harass you to go into their store. Hey, how are you? No, so there's more and more and more of those shops. So yeah, a lot of people selling exactly the same stuff. So that's how it'll work. It'll probably be some stupid price they'll quote you to start with, and you have to try and work it down from there. No thank you. No thank you. So yeah, they'll quote you something stupid and you'll have to try and work it down. So that's why I always tell people, if they've never been here before, is to go to a fixed price store and get an idea of pricing. So like, for example, you know, sports jerseys in the 100% genuine fake shop is 120, 120,000 rupiah. Hats 75,000. So you shouldn't pay any more than that regardless of where you go. So this whole section is relatively new. Imagine these places, their prices might be a little higher because their rents will probably be a little bit higher. So again, it's probably, if you're looking for shoes, it's probably a good idea to find a good fixed price store and know what the shoes you're after are worth. So another thing I've noticed that's happening this trip is, you know, you go in and buy something, they'll tell you the price, you pay, and then they'll start asking for tips. I don't really like that, you know. If you quote a price of 600, you know, it's 600. I shouldn't have to tip you. There's a lot of cars coming. Thank you. So this is Garlic Lane.